exhale. Inhale, exhale. Tell yourself that the next 1 hour is all for yourself. For the practice of yoga. Through the practice of yoga, you are getting healthier and happier day by day. Through the practice of yoga, you are getting calm and peaceful. Through the practice of yoga, you are spreading love, light, peace and harmony to the world. Inhale, exhale. Be here, be at the present moment, and tell yourself that the next 1 hour is all for your well-being. Inhale, exhale. Okay, open your eyes, stretch your legs forward. We will start off with Padma Uttanasana. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Now for ankle, inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Now your legs apart. Toes pointed at each other. Inhale, rotate all the way to the side. Exhale back to the center. Inhale forward. Exhale back to the center. Now the other way around. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Align by the legs. Place your palms on your knees. Engage your kneecap. Bring your heels up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now bring the soles of your legs together. Move your knee up and down. Chittadyasana butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now place your elbow on your upper thigh. Inhale, head up. Exhale, push your knee down. Use your elbow to push your knee down. Go all the way down. Stay. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down again. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Stretch your legs forward. Now interlock your fingers under your right knee. Inhale, up. Exhale to the left. Inhale, up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, up. Exhale, place on your left thigh. Massage your sole. You can massage up your knee. Now place your right palm on your right knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale towards your body. Inhale down. Exhale up. Release hip joint rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Straighten. Now interlock your fingers and your left knee. Inhale up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, place on your right thigh. Massage your sole. You can massage up your knee. Now place your left palm on your left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale towards your body. Inhale down. Exhale up. Release hip joint rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Straighten. Now right leg away, left leg pull in. Stretch your hands forward. Inhale, thumbs up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Thumbs on your shoulder. Elbows together. Inhale all the way up. Interlock your fingers. Pull your shoulders. Look up. Now thumbs on your shoulder again. Inhale forward. Now exhale all the way up. Inhale to the front. Once again, inhale up. Interlock your fingers. Exhale to look up. Thumbs on your shoulder. Inhale forward. Exhale all the way up. Inhale to the front. Release now your neck. Inhale and exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, bring your chin towards your chest. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Back to the center. Tip to the right. Center. To the left. Center. Lastly, eyeball exercise. Interlock your fingers, thumbs up, gaze at the tip of your thumb. Now bring your thumb up, all the way down, to the center, to the right, center, to the left, center, to the tip of your nose. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. To the space in between your eyebrow, look up. Balik badannya. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center and release. Up. Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. Come to the front of your mat. Legs apart according to your hip width. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Imagine like there is a tiny sun at your navel point. Imagine like the tiny sun is moving up to your eyebrow center. When the tiny sun is moving up, it's spreading yellow color light throughout your body. The yellow color light is now spread 6 feet around you. The yellow color light is giving you warmth and protection. Now imagine like the tiny sun is moving back to your navel point, your Manipura chakra. It's energizing your Manipura chakra. Right now, you are directly connected to the sun. You are fully energized to do Surya Namaskar. Before you start, thank the nature. Thank the universe. Thank all your teachers, gurus, and mahants. Thank your fellow practitioners. Thank yourself. Thank your body for the opportunity to practice yoga. Open your eyes. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale all the way forward and behind. Exhale all the way down. Now bring your right leg behind. Inhale, open. Your hands down. Left leg behind. Push your shoulders in. Exhale, mountain. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your chest down, chin down and knee down. Hands at the side of your chest. Hold your breath. Ashtanga. Inhale up until your navel point. Exhale, Shashankrasana. Sit on your heels. Inhale, Mahajariyasana. Head pose, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana. Mountain. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your chest down, chin down, and your knee down. Inhale up. Exhale, sit on your heels. Inhale, come up, head pose. Exhale, mountain. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Second round, right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your chest down, chin down, and your knee down. Ashtangasana. Hold your breath. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majaryasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your chest down, chin down, and your knee down. Inhale up. Exhale, sit on your heels. Inhale, cat pose, look up. Exhale, mountain. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your chest down, chin down, knee down. Ashtangasana. Hold your breath. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majaryasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Third round. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Dakshana, do properly, Dakshana. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your chest down, chin down, knee down. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majaryasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your chest down, chin down, knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majaryasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward, inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. 2 more rounds in faster pace. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majaryasana. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Hold your breath. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majaryasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Last round. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majaryasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Hands down, straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind, inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majaryasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg forward, inhale, open. Hands down, straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. We are done. Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. A. Come to the front of your mat. Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. A. Come to the front of your mat. Both your legs together. Open up your chest, spine straight. Pull in your abdomen. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, look up and go down. Hip down completely. Inhale, get up only. Now bend your knees, jump out, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Elbows straight, come up. Exhale, downward facing. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, deep inhalation and exhalation. 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Second round, Samastitihi. Both your legs together. Inhale, up. Bring both your hands up. Exhale, look up and go down. Head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Hold Chaturanga. Ravin, elbow close to your body, Ravin. Inhale, upward, elbow straight, come up. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. Kajul, push your shoulder inside some. 2. Ravin, you also, Ravin. Push your shoulder inside, push your shoulder in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Third round, Samastitihi. Inhale, up, bring both your hands up. Exhale, look up and go down. Inhale, head up only. Now bend your knees, jump out, Chaduranga. Hold Chaduranga, hold. Inhale, upward, elbow straight, come up. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Fourth round, Samastitihi. Inhale, bring both your hands up. Look up. Exhale, look up and go down, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaduranga. Dakshana, Kishetra, follow instruction. I can see what you all are doing. Inhale, upward, elbow straight, come up. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Last round, Samastitihi. Inhale, bring both your hands up, look up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Now bend your knees, jump out. Inhale, upward, elbow straight, come up. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B. Come to the front of your mat. Both your legs together. Open up your chest, spine straight, pull in your abdomen. Samastitihi. Uttanasana, go down, touch, come on. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaduranga. Inhale upward. Exhale downward. Now bring your right leg forward in between your hands. Inhale up. Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down. Chaturanga. Inhale upward. Exhale downward. Left leg forward. Inhale up. Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down. Chaturanga. Inhale upward. Exhale downward. Take one. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Samasthiti. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Ravin, மேல பாருங்க Ravin. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward, elbow straight, come up. Exhale, downward. Now bring your right leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Now stay, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Samasthiti. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Now bring your right leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Hold Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. 4th round, Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Now bring your right leg forward. Inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Make sure that your knees are straight. If you are too far away, walk 1 or 2 steps forward. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, hip down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. Last round, Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Right leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Chair posture. Exhale, Samastitihi. Done. Sit down, release and relax. Okay. Okay, regulate back your breathing. We will continue, but before we continue, Yamuna sister, you're here, right? The other day I was telling about the gratitude and gratitude journal and all. I will explain a bit about the gratitude journal, what you can do. Okay, okay. Idella vandu small things that I practice that I feel like sharing with you all. You see, if you feel like doing it, you can do it and you see how you feel about it. Okay. One thing that you can do every day in the morning, the first thing when you wake up, of course, first thing we thank God for another day. Then what you can do, நம்ம கையில வந்து 10 fingers இருக்குல்ல, we have 10 fingers. So for each finger, you tell yourself what are the things that you are grateful for. Okay, I have good parents, I have good kids, I'm so happy about it. I woke up in a good bed, I had good sleep, so I'm thankful for this. Then என்னென்ன விஷயம்லாம் உங்களுக்கு வந்து you are happy about, that you are thankful for, that it is in your life. Next, you are going to go to a work that you like, you have good salary, இதெல்லாம் வந்து okay, let's say, so anything that you can think of, it can be the smallest thing. இன்னைக்கு வந்து நேத்து ராத்திரி தூங்கும் போது நல்ல பாட்டு கேட்டேன், I feel good about it, that one also you can. So I wake up, I feel very good about it. So anything that you feel good about, that you are thankful for, நீங்க இந்த 10 விஷயம் வந்து நினைச்சிட்டு, இந்த 10 ஃபிங்கர்ஸ்ல வச்சு நினைச்சிட்டு, then you hug yourself, you tell yourself that you have all these with you. Okay, you tell yourself that you have all that with you. Then as usual we do everything. You will realize that, let's say அந்த அன்னைக்கு வந்து you வேலைக்கு போனோம்னா boss ஏசுறாங்க, you get scolded by your boss and all, you will still feel like it's okay, because within you, inside you, you have already fixed that you have a lot of good things with you. So even if one bad thing happens, or நீங்க போற வழியில வந்து யாராச்சும் காடி மேபி லேசா இடிச்சிருக்கலாம், anything that small things that happens in life, you won't feel very down like you always used to do, because the mind வந்து it's already fixed. The first thing you wake up in the morning, you already tell that you have a lot of good things with you. So இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரெண்டு சின்ன நெகட்டிவான விஷயம்லாம் நடக்கும்போது you won't feel that bad, or you won't feel very down about it. So this is what அந்த விஷயங்கள், இந்த 10 things வந்து can change every day. Maybe today you wake up in the morning and you feel good about something else, because you feel good because you have a nice pet with you, cat at home and all those things. Whatever that you are thankful for, you just tell yourself that you have all that with you. You will realize that throughout the day, whatever happens, you don't feel too down. Okay, that is one thing. Another one is, இது வந்து personally என்னோட, this is something that I truly believe. The more you are thankful for everything that you have in life, more good things will come towards you. என்னென்னலாம் வந்து you always say thank you for everything that happens. I think I have shared அண்ணா ஏஞ்சல் தம்பி ஏஞ்சல் கதை நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன்ல, I've shared before, right? அண்ணா ஏஞ்சல் தம்பி ஏஞ்சல் கதை I've shared. Okay, யார் யாரெல்லாம் கேட்டதில்லை? Who have never? Oh, many have never heard my Anna Angel Thambi Angel story. Okay, never mind. I'll share one story with you all. Anna Angel Thambi Angel story. Okay, ஒரு ஊர்ல வந்து ரெண்டு angels. Kajal, she doesn't understand Tamil, but she understands all that I am telling. Good, Kajal. Okay, ஒரு ஊர்ல ரெண்டு angel. அண்ணா ஏஞ்சல் தம்பி ஏஞ்சல். அண்ணா ஏஞ்சலும் தம்பி ஏஞ்சலும் வந்து ஒரு கம்பவுண்டுக்கு வந்தாங்களாம். வந்துட்டு they were walking and evening ஆயிடுச்சா. When it was evening, they were looking for a house for them to stay. First, they came across ஒரு பணக்காரங்களோட வீடு, a big house. They knocked the door. Then the person opened the door. They asked, can we stay here today because we don't have a place to stay. அவங்க கொடுத்தது வந்து அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு பழைய சின்ன ரூம், அவங்களோட ஸ்டோர் ரூம்ல தான் படுக்கிறதுக்கு இடம் கொடுத்தாங்களாம். The food that they gave was what was left over. அவங்களாம் சாப்பிட்டு மிச்சம் உள்ள கொஞ்சம் சாப்பாடு அந்த மாதிரி தான் அவங்களுக்கு கொடுத்தாங்க. ஸோ அண்ணன் ஏஞ்சலும் தம்பி ஏஞ்சலும் சாப்பிட்டு படுக்க போயிட்டாங்களாம். ஸோ ரூம்ல வந்து தம்பி ஏஞ்சல் படுத்துட்டாங்களா. அண்ணன் ஏஞ்சல் என்ன செஞ்சாங்களா, there were some holes in the room, in the wall. So the brother, the Anna angel, the brother angel, what he was doing was அந்த லூபாங்கெல்லாம் வந்து சிமெண்ட்லாம் போட்டு அழகா எல்லாத்தையும் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி அந்த ரூமை வந்து சந்தேவா அழகா ஆக்கிட்டாங்க. So the brother, the Thambi angel felt weird, but then he didn't say anything. Then the next morning they woke up, they started walking again. Then they were walking, evening ஆயிடுச்சா, then there was another house. ஒரு poor family ஓட house. They knocked the door, the owner opened the door. அவங்க வந்து they treated them so well. நல்ல சாப்பாடு, அவங்களுக்கு இருந்த சாப்பாடு எல்லாம் வந்து இவங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துட்டு, அவங்களுக்கு இருக்கிற பெட், அவங்க இருக்கிற பெட் எல்லாம் இவங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துட்டு, they were sleeping on the floor and all. They treated them very well. Then okay, they slept off. Suddenly about 3 o'clock in the morning, எல்லாரும் வந்து அந்த வீட்டுல உள்ளவங்களாம் அழுவுற சத்தம் கேட்டுச்சு, கத்தி அழுவுற சத்தம் கேட்டுச்சு. ஸோ அந்த அண்ணன் ஏஞ்சலும் தம்பி ஏஞ்சலும் எந்திரிச்சு விடுவிடுன்னு வெளியே வந்து போயிட்டு பார்த்தாங்க. They went outside to see what's happening. Then they saw the cow in the house died. Okay, killer, it was lying down, it's no more, and everyone in the family was so sad because for them the cow was like part of their family member மாதிரி அவங்களுக்கு அந்த மாடா. ஸோ ரொம்ப செடேவா ரொம்ப அழுந்துட்டு அந்த மாதிரி இருந்தாங்களா. இவங்க ஆறுதல் கொஞ்சம் சொல்லிட்டு இவங்க 2 பேரும் போய் படுக்க போயிட்டாங்களா. Then the next day they woke up, they started walking again. The Thambi angel was not happy. He was walking, then at one point he told the brother, Anna angel, எனக்கு உங்க மேல தப்பாஸ், நீங்க வந்து இப்படி செஞ்சிருக்கவே கூடாது. அப்ப அண்ணன் ஏஞ்சல் கேட்டாங்க, ஏன் நான் என்ன செஞ்சேன் அப்படின்னு. உங்களுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப பவர் இருக்கு, நீங்க நினைச்சிருந்தா you could have saved the cow. I just don't understand you. The other day அந்த பணக்காரங்க வந்து did not take care of us at all, but you were actually decorating the room and all. These people took a very good care of us, yet you could not even save the cow. I am not happy with you at all அப்படின்னு சொல்லி தம்பி ஏஞ்சல் சொல்லிட்டாங்க. தென் அண்ணன் ஏஞ்சல் கேட்டாங்க, ஓகேயா பேசி முடிச்சிட்டியா, now let me tell you the reason behind what happened அப்படின்ட்டு. என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா, ஆன் த டே அந்த பணக்காரவங்க வீட்டு கவ் இறக்குற அன்னைக்கு வந்து அந்த அன்னைக்கு ராத்திரி 12 மணிக்கு 2 பேரும் தூங்கிட்டோன்னே யம தர்மராஜா இருக்காங்களே, the one who is supposed to who will take away everyone's life, அவங்க வந்து வந்துட்டாங்க. வந்துட்டு he was அந்த அன்னைக்கு தான் the last day of the கத்துவ கிளுவார்கா இருக்காங்களே, head of the family and the father ஓட last day. So he was there to take away the father's life. So இந்த அண்ணன் ஏஞ்சல் தான் போயிட்டு டேபிள் டாக்லாம் பண்ணி you cannot take away his life, இவங்க இல்லைன்னா இந்த ஃபேமிலியே சர்வைவ் பண்ண முடியாது அப்படின்லாம் சொல்லிட்டாங்க. சொன்னோன்னே யம தர்மராஜா said, no matter what, I need to take away one life. So they spoke about it and all. In the end of the day, the best that Yama Dharmaraja can do and that with least effect for the family is taking away the cow's life. And then for the அந்த பணக்காரவங்க வீட்டுல ஆக்சுவலி என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா, அந்த லூபாங்கெல்லாம் துத்தம் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்களே, அந்த லூபாங்கெல்லாம் ஆக்சுவலி அவங்க வந்து நிறைய இந்த கருப்பு பணம் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, ஆளுங்கட்டுல இருந்து படிச்சு வாங்கின காசு அதெல்லாம் வந்து அதுலதான் வச்சிருந்தாங்களா. ஸோ யம தர்மராஜா ஆக்சுவலி சிமெண்ட் போட்டு அதெல்லாம் மூடிட்டாங்களா, so that they cannot take at all. See, லைஃப்ல வந்து நிறைய விஷயம் இப்படித்தான். We will be thinking that we are in the worst situation. ஏன் கடவுள் எனக்கு மட்டும் இப்படி செஞ்சுட்டாங்க, ஏன் எனக்கு மட்டும் இப்படிலாம் நடக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நம்ம நிறைய கட்டத்துல வந்து நம்ம நினைச்சுப்போம். God is very fair, God is kind, God is too kind. So what makes you cry today, one day you will be so thankful that it actually happened in your life. So always accepting as it is. Of course it's easier said than done, but accept things as it is. One day things will change and you will understand that God is very kind. Just be thankful for every single thing that happens. Okay, to be frank, when we started this MCO, I thought I didn't know what's going to happen just because of this teaching, because I have been teaching every day. I've been meeting students. I only meet students. Life na the students பார்த்து பேசுறது teach பண்றது அதெல்லாம் தான். But now I've got to know even more people. I have chance to teach even more students now. So அப்படிதான் எல்லாமே, everything is actually a blessing in disguise. It's just that God is always kind. எப்பயுமே வந்து நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கிற anything that happens negatively, you just tell yourself that this is the best that God can give you. Always be thankful for everything. Okay? Okay. So dengan kata-kata semangat itu, kita buat asana for the day. Okay. Today we will do, I have many requests for arm balancing asana. Okay. We will, yesterday we did Ekapada Kaundyasana 2. Okay. See, ella arm balancing asana oda concept is actually the same. Okay. You will, let me show for Ekapada Kaundyasana 2. Oru kai, kalau Bakasana is Bakasana, you will be here, shift your body weight forward. As you shift your body weight forward, you will be on your toes, lift your toes up. Okay, this is 1. Ekapada Kaundyasana 2 is the same. Okay, your elbows, one elbow, like for Bakasana, both elbows were holding your, this elbow, both your elbows were holding your knee. For this one, Ekapada Kaundyasana, one elbow will be holding your knee, the other elbow will be holding the side of your body. So from here, go down. As you go down, you will place your elbow here. Okay. On your toes, lift up, shift your body weight forward, then you can lift your toes up. Today we are going to look into Pachka Bakasana, side Bakasana. This side Bakasana concept vandu, after this we will do Ekapada Kaundyasana 2. We will do Pachka Bakasana first. Okay. Both your legs will be together. The concept is still going to be the same, whereby you will be holding your body with your elbow, your body part with your elbow, but this time your knee is going to be above your elbow. The side of your hip will be above your elbow. Okay. When will you fall down? Same like Ekapada Kaundyasana, if your knee is below your elbow, for sure you are going to slide down because there is no support. So it should be above your elbow. Okay, bend your elbow. You are supposed to bend your elbow, shift your body weight forward, lift up. So now, for Pachka Bakasana, both your legs together, sideways. If you, for you to twist fully, you have to exhale out. Then lift your hip up, bend your elbow, just like Ekapada Kaundyasana just now, just like Bakasana, this one also you will bend your elbow. Knee will be above your elbow. The side of your hip here will be above your elbow. Up, bend your elbow here. See, both your legs must be together as though it's tied up together. Shift your body weight forward. Then from here, you will lift the leg at the bottom up. Automatically, the other leg will be lifted. If you are falling down, that means your hip is too low, too close to your elbow. Same goes to your knee also. It must be too close to your elbow. That's why you are falling down. Okay, let's say it's hard for me to do from squatting down. I can do from standing also. From here, you will turn to the left side. As you bend, as you go down, you bend your knee and place your hand down. Okay, land above your elbow. This will be height. Here, go down. Shift your body weight forward, but don't bring your shoulder too low. You keep your shoulder high. Come, let's try it. Tahu Selvi ரெண்டு காலும் buka பண்ணாதீங்க together both your legs together go down together go. Nice Shubha, nice good. Sheila, the leg at the bottom you are opening. Harshini, good. Lift your leg higher. Good. Very good. Do for both sides. Priya, lift higher, Priya. Lift higher. Kumudi, nice. Okay, Jamna sister cantik. Okay, tulis sister dia you are opening your legs. It must be together. Penadi unga hip வந்து must be higher, must go higher. Yeah. Yes, correct. Now shift, go down. Kishetra, do. I didn't see you doing. Try. Don't jump, Kishetra, don't jump. Gauri, a bit more. You have got a bit more. Good. Do both sides. Okay. Come down. Okay. See, yesterday we did Ekapada Kampiasana 1, which was this one, right? Today we are going to do Ekapada Kampiasana 2. It will be like what you did earlier, which was Parshvabhakasana. Parshvabhakasana, here you will open this leg, the leg at the bottom forward, the leg at the back up. This is Ekapada Kampiasana 1. That's why I thought I'm teaching this later. Okay, once again, you will do like the Parshvabhakasana. First, okay, from here, lift the leg at the bottom forward, the leg at the back, such here. Come, side. Okay, like yesterday, like what I said yesterday, for now, what you can do, you can place your head down. Okay, you place your head down, lift the leg at the bottom forward, the leg at the back behind. Then head up. You can do with your head down, it will be helpful. Okay. Luina, you don't do with your head down. You can do on your own without head down. Open. Pernah dikit kalau higher. Good. Tamarai, go Tamarai. Do both sides. Arvin, open up your legs. Good. Shamala, no kunjana, you are there, ready. Okay, Gomadi, nice. Priya, no kunjuk. Okay, Harshini, kila ulla kala you open first. Correct. Go lower. You are there already. Okay, good. Nice. Okay, Lata, பின்னாடி உள்ள காலு stretch பண்ணுங்க. பின்னாடி உள்ள காலு. Yes, good, good, correct, nice. Yashina, I didn't see you doing. You are just looking at me from just now. சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருந்தா பத்தாது செய்யணும். Okay. My elbow is slipping off my leg. Okay, Arvind, why is it slipping off? Easy. The reason is, Arvind. Okay, if you are falling off from your elbow, the reason is only one. It's because, okay, the reason is because your knee is too close to your elbow. Okay, you are doing this. So by the time you go up, you are slipping down. Is this what's happening? Okay, it's because your knee is too close to your elbow. You are placing your knee on the edge. So by the time you lift up, you are going to fall off. See, what we are doing now, what I teach in class, since one side can lift but the other side can't. We are all more flexible on one side compared to the other. We have more strength on one side compared to the other. So one side mudiyudhu, another side mudiyalana, that shows that okay, the side that you can do, let's say you stay 5 rounds, the other side which is harder, you have to try more, and once you can do, you have to try stay longer. Let's say in the side 5 rounds, the other side you stay 10 counts. It's always like that. The more flexible side, let's say one side is more flexible, you stay 5 counts. The other one which is less, you stay longer so that you balance it back. Okay? Okay. What we are doing now in class is actually the very beginner version. The very beginner version, which is for Ekapada Kamyasana, what we are doing this. Okay, you are holding both your knee and the side of your body with your elbow. See, what we are doing is the beginner version. The actual asana is only one side you will be holding with your elbow. The other side will be free, where your elbow will not be, oh, you can see, actually my elbow will be away. Okay, that is the actual one. What we are doing is the beginner version. So you have to try to bring your elbow in until it is holding the side of your body. Okay, today, before we conclude, I want you to practice something at home. Tomorrow we will do Hatha Vinyasa, but before we do Hatha Vinyasa, we will do a few back bending asanas. Okay, it has been quite some time since we did back bending. Okay, I want you to practice something at home. Okay, what you will do, use the wall. Okay, this is actually a practice for back bending. Okay, from the wall, you will walk 1, 2 steps away from the wall. Okay, if you feel like it's too tight, then you walk a bit more. Then you will bring your hand to the wall. Slowly go down. Okay. Then come up again. You go down as much as possible. Let's say I can only go down for 3 steps, then you just go down 3 steps and you stay there. Wherever which you feel comfortable, you just stay there. This is actually a practice for your back bending and also your chest and shoulder opening. Try this practice this tomorrow, tomorrow morning or something like that. Tomorrow we will do a bit of back bending. Okay, tomorrow try to be close to the wall. We will do this also. Okay. Okay, I think that's about it for today. Practice your Ekapada Kambyasana, Pashvabhakasana and all. If you don't understand, you let me know. If you want me to check your alignment also, you let me know. I will check for you. Okay, Namaskar everyone. Thank you so much. I will see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow be prepared with towel and water bottle.
Thank you, Akka. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye dear.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you, Master.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher. Thanks.
Everyone.
Bye, teacher. Thanks. Thank
Bye,
you.
bye. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ramila. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sister. Thank you. Thank you, Shamla. Thank you. Everyone, I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you, Gogilan sir. See you. Thank you, Sita. So it's nice to see you after so long. Bye. Ipa, bye. Monisha, bye. Yamuna sister, bye. Thank you.